If your games are not opening, apps are crashing, file copy is failing, Bluetooth disappeared, or Windows 11 is taking 5 minutes just to shut down, this video will fix everything. This problem usually starts right after a Windows update, and many people think their PC is damaged. But the truth is, Windows Update broke your system files, not your hardware. So watch this video till the end, because the last step permanently fixes Windows without deleting your data. Section 1. What actually went wrong? Viewer trust. Let me explain this simply. When Windows 11 installs a forced update sometimes, system files get corrupted. App services fail to register. Graphics drivers break. File permissions get damaged. That is why games do not launch. Graphics look low quality. Settings or Task Manager stop opening. File copy suddenly fails. Shutdown becomes extremely slow. This is not your fault, and dust cleaning did not cause this. Now let's fix it properly. Section 2. Step 1. Safe Mode Reset. Very important. This step resets broken Windows services. Press Windows + R. Type msconfig and press Enter. Go to the Boot tab. Enable Safe Boot, Minimal. Click OK and restart. Let the PC fully boot into safe mode. After that, restart again. Open msconfig. Disable Safe Boot. Restart normally. Many people skip this step, do not skip it. Section 3. Step 2. Repair Windows system files. Now we repair corrupted Windows files. Right-click Start. Open Command Prompt, Admin. Run this command first. dsm/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Wait until it reaches 100%. Now run. sfc/scan now. If it says it repaired files, that means Windows was broken and now fixed. Restart your PC. Section 4. Step 3. Fix Settings, Task Manager, and Apps. If Settings or Task Manager does not open, this step is critical. Open PowerShell as administrator. Paste this command. Get axe package, a losers for each. Add axe package, disable development mode, register $$_.install location, \appxmanifest.xml. This repairs. Settings app. Windows shell. Task Manager dependencies. Input services. Restart after it finishes. Section 5. Step 4. Fix games and low graphics quality. If games are lagging or not opening, your GPU driver is broken. Do this properly. Download Display Driver Uninstaller, DDU. Boot into safe mode. Use DDU to remove GPU drivers completely. Restart. Install the latest GPU driver from official website. Do not install GPU drivers from Windows Update. This step fixes games not launching, low resolution graphics, FPS drops, DirectX errors. Section 6. Step 5. Fix file copy and Explorer crash. If copying files fails or Explorer stops working, open Command Prompt as administrator. Type checkdisk C/F. Press Y and restart. This repairs file system corruption caused by the update. Section 7. Step 6. Fix slow shutdown. If shutdown takes minutes, open Control Panel. Go to Power Options. Choose what power buttons do. Click Change Settings, currently unavailable. Disable Fast Startup. Save and restart. This fixes hanging shutdown processes. Final section. Permanent fix, do not skip. If problems still exist, do this once and everything will be fixed. Download Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft. Mount the ISO. Run setup.exe. Choose Keep Personal Files and Apps. This replaces broken Windows components without deleting anything. This is the cleanest and safest fix. If this video helped you fix your Windows 11 issues, make sure to like the video, it really helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more real fixes, not fake PC booster tricks. If you still face issues, comment your Windows version and GPU. I reply to every genuine problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next fix.
To be what I want.